In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix issues with instant transfers, also known as instant deposits or withdrawals on Robinhood. If you've ever tried to move funds instantly and found that option grayed out or not working, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the common reasons and step-by-step solutions so you can get back to trading quickly and with minimal hassle. Let's begin by understanding what makes instant transfers work. Robinhood only allows instant transfers if both your linked bank account and the specific transfer you're attempting actually qualify. This means that not every account or transfer will be eligible. If any detail doesn't match Robinhood's requirements, or certain issues have happened in the past, the instant option will be temporarily disabled until those problems are addressed. If your instant transfer isn't available, the first thing to check is the type of bank account you have linked. Navigate to your account tab within the Robinhood app and go to the transfer section. Next, tap on linked accounts. Here you should check your bank details and confirm that you've linked a checking account rather than a savings account or any account with restrictions. Robinhood usually only supports instant transfers with standard checking accounts because savings and some other types often have transfer limitations. Also, take a moment to verify your routing and account numbers for accuracy. If any of these numbers are incorrect, the connection could fail without you realizing it, which will prevent instant transfers from working. The next thing to look out for is whether you've had any transfers recently that didn't go through or were reversed. For example, if you tried to deposit money into Robinhood, but your bank rejected the transfer, or if a recent deposit was returned, that pending issue can temporarily block your access to instant transfers. In this case, you'll need to wait until all failed or reversed deposits have fully cleared before instant transfers can be restored. Another common reason instant transfers don't work is exceeding your instant deposit or withdrawal limit. Robinhood sets a cap on how much you can move instantly within a certain period. If you try to transfer more than this limit, only the allowed amount will go through instantly. The rest will process as a regular transfer, which takes a couple of business days. Always check your available limit before attempting a large transfer to avoid surprises. It's also important to allow time for any pending or in-progress transactions to fully settle. As soon as all deposits and withdrawals clear, you may regain eligibility for instant transfers automatically. Finally, if you've checked your bank account type, confirmed your info, cleared any failed or pending transfers, and you're still unable to use instant transfer, it may be time to relink your bank account or contact Robinhood support. You can reach support easily by navigating to the help section and choosing contact support for further assistance. And that's it. A straightforward way to troubleshoot and resolve issues with instant transfers on Robinhood. By checking your bank account type, ensuring no transfer issues, staying within your limits, and contacting support if necessary, you'll be able to restore instant transfer access without too much trouble. Thanks for watching and good luck with your trading.